Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today I'm going to tell you why you should have a business plan if you are intending to make money from your writing. Now, when I started out as a freelancer, I had zero intention of writing a business plan. The idea was not even in my mind. But I ended up doing one because I was part of a government-funded program for new entrepreneurs. And as part of this, I had to write a business plan. I have never shown my business plan to anyone other than my advisor in this program. But I absolutely believe in the value of having written it. For a start, it's a good document to have. If you're going into any kind of partnership or you're applying for a grant or a loan, you may need to produce a business plan. But apart from that, writing it helps you focus your energy in a way that nothing else really can. There is a lot of detail in this document, and in order to get into that detail, you have to really think about what you are doing and why you are doing it. Here is a rapid-fire list of some of the things you have to consider in detail when you're doing a business plan. Your mission statement and goals. In other words, what are you trying to accomplish and why? Your target demographic. Who are you trying to reach with your writing? Your competition. Your biggest barriers to success. Your biggest opportunities. What is your unique selling point? What do you have that other writers don't? How much money will you have to spend in order to get started? What will your monthly overheads be? How much money do you have to put into it? How much profit will you make in the first month, the first 6 months, the first year? That is not by any means an exhaustive list. In a future video, we will go over what information should be in a business plan. But thinking about these questions early on helps you put your time and energy where it needs to go so you can set yourself up for success. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.